Hi guys, today I'm sitting in the Hyundai Tucson. It's a model 2060, actually is a Gen 3 and Generation 3rd. It's made from 2015 to early 2021. Soon we will change the time from summer to winter time for daily saving time. So I show you how to change time in Hyundai Tucson. Let's go. There is a first manual option. You must press the left knob and then choose the system. Then choose the clock. There is a date, time, settings. It's very simple. There are arrows there. Just tap up or down to the right time or right date. Then press back and it's all done. The second option, which I think the most drivers prefer, is switching on the GPS time, and then your system automatically change the time from the winter to summer time or from summer to winter time.